We have a Kenmore Series 700 triple action technology washer. About a year old. All of our clothes seem to be coming out of wash with detergent residue on them. Maybe detergent. But almost seems like it needs to be cleaned. I ran a clean washer cycle. Should I be using some kind of washing machine cleaning agent during this cycle? Any thoughts? Thank you.
Hello from Just Answer in the appliance category. My name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 37 years. I own my own appliance repair company and I teach appliance repair at a local community college. I have over 100,000 plus in home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. You will be paying me for my answer to your appliance question, not for the repair of your appliance, hence the name of this site, Just Answer. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? If you open the lid, the model/serial tag is under the lid at the rear of the opening.
Please see picture. Thanks for your response.
Thank you. Give me a minute or two to pull up information on this model.
Okay, thanks again.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I recommend a fresh washer cleaner to my customers. And clean the washer at least every 6 months. What type of detergent do you use? He or non-he?
We never had problems until my wife started using OxiClean. Could be coincidence. So assuming just pour solution in and run it through clean washer cycle.
Okay, so she does not use any detergent at all? Only OxiClean?
Correct. What's he? High energy. All the detergents I looked at were he.
He is high efficiency plus low sudsing. The issue could be that the OxiClean is leaving detergent on the clothes and it has built up inside the washer and is leaving the detergent on the clothes. Are you able to verify that the washer does in fact fill with water during a rinse cycle?
I have never thought it filled enough to rinse. It as never covers the clothes.
This design will not cover the clothes. Unlike the older designs where the clothing would circulate in the water during an agitation mode, this design just sloshes the water around. If you are a family that gets dirty clothes, sports, or a farmer, it is hard to clean the clothes and you may have to wash them more than once. That is what happens when the government gets involved in washing our clothes. These newer units have to meet the EPA conservation guidelines.
Totally makes sense. Thanks much for all the information. I will get the solution you recommended and try and clean it. You were very informative.
Always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me WHRLP MasterTech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question later on, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me is the only way I get paid for my time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.